What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're back here in the garage on a Monday morning, and we have a vehicle here with a pretty good dent in it. It's a 2019 BMW 330i, and I'll show you what we have. There's a good dent right in the quarter panel here. It's really deep in there too, in that center. I mean, it's stretched pretty good. You can kind of see it goes through that body line there too. Trying to take out the taillight in this is a nightmare. And not only that, the customer is waiting for this. So he wanted to hang out kind of down the road. I guess he's hitting a diner or something. And I told him it's gonna take a little while, a little work on this, but he traveled about an hour away to get to me. So he said he'd rather just hang out. So I told him I can pop a hole in the door jamb part there and try to work it out that way to save some time. I rather spend as much time on these as I can. I wish I had the car for the day, but I get it if, you know, you have to do what the customer wants. So we'll see what we can do. I'm gonna start off glue pulling the deepness, and then we'll see if we can get in there with a metal rod and work the rest out. But let's get going and we'll see how this thing turns out, since we're limited on time. Let's go. Okay, we've been working with this for a little while now. As you saw, I glue pulled some of the deepness out, but there was still like a center in there that was really deep and like staying down, and it wasn't pulling. So when I got in there with the metal rods, I realized why. There's a whole fiberglass mat that's glued to the panel. So that's what's holding that whole area down. That's why it was so deep. When that got dented, that fiberglass mat just held down that dent in that center there. So I'll show you what it looks like right now. You can see it's still all wavy and a lot of work to do, but we got most of the deepness out. I mean, it's a little high still right around that area. So we'll be tapping that and then working out all the deepness around it. So it's just taken a little while because of that mat. It's a lot of pushing and pushing it up, tapping it down, moving that around, because that fiberglass mat is just holding that whole area down. So it's tough to work with like that, but at least we could get a tool on it and really work this panel. Even down in this low spot here, I can actually touch that with a tool, which will be nice. So we can clean that up real nice. And again, we'll take a little time on this. The customer's waiting, so I'm trying to hustle, but like still do a good job with this one. So this is a nice car. So we'll keep going and see the final results. All right, we are all finished up with this one. It came out really nice. It was tough with that fiberglass mat in there. It was a lot of work, you know, just trying to get in those low spots and fine tune that. It's just really tough when there's a fiberglass mat in there. It came out nice though. This quarter has been painted before. I'll show you the results. There's, you know, some imperfections here or there in the quarter, but you can see the dent where we worked came out really nice. Even that low spot down there came out really, really nice. The customer just texted me about 15 minutes ago and was asking if it was done. So I know he is, you know, kind of itching to get this back. So we got it done for him. It was a lot of work that way. You know, I couldn't take breaks in between. Not that I was rushing or anything, but I just couldn't, you know, I didn't want to take my time and have him waiting this whole time. So we just kept moving on it. I'm happy how it turned out. Hopefully he's happy with it. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you can, like, subscribe to the channel. I'll do more videos. I know it's been a while. It's just really tough with work and then trying to get these videos done during work and then editing them afterwards. But I'll try to do some more videos soon, get them up, and we'll catch you on the next one.